Hello viewers, today, we will show you how to process a supplier payment in local currency using SQL accounting software. Here is a sample scenario. You received an invoice from a supplier, and you are making the payment using your local currency bank account. Let's begin. To do this, select the supplier. Next, change the date if necessary and select an agent. Then, select the bank account where the payment will be made. After that, enter the amount to be paid to the supplier in local currency. If there are any bank charges, you can enter them here. Click the bank charge button to select a different account code for the bank charge. All outstanding supplier invoices will be automatically listed. You can sort by invoice date or document number. The system will automatically suggest invoices to knock off. For example, if the payment is 1,000 ringgit, click Pay, and the system will prioritize knocking off the older invoices first. If you wish to partially knock off an invoice, you can enter the amount in the Pay field and then system will automatically knock off it. Alternatively, you can leave the paid amount blank, click Pay, then click Save, and confirm by clicking Yes to proceed. The system will automatically knock off all the invoices and fill in the paid amount for you. And that's it. We've successfully completed a supplier payment in local currencies. Now, it's your turn. Try these steps and see how quickly you can get the hang of it. Thank you for watching.
Subscribe to our YouTube for the latest videos, follow us on Facebook to stay updated, visit our website for important guides. It's so easy.